With the power still on, flip the switch to the off position to test which screw the hot is connected to. After testing, shut the power off before replacing the switch. The wire that is going from the switch to the light is also known as the switch leg. It does not matter which screw the hot and switch leg attach to. It's up to your preference. If the switch leg wire is long enough, making a loop can help. Identify in the future. Connect the wires onto the screws clockwise. The neutral is spliced and pushed back inside the box. This switch does not need a neutral. Level out the switch before installing the cover plate, as it may be more difficult after the plate is on.